In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to sync VFX with animation on Roblox Studio. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to manage your animations and add VFX. In order to do this, you will have to use Moon Animator. So in this video, I'm gonna briefly be talking about how to set this up using Moon Animator. To start, open Moon Animator, choose a rig for example, then click on the three dots, and in here you will be able to enable animation events. So you have to enable this option after you click on these three dots here. By enabling animation events, you will now be able to create frames where the particles will begin. So if you want a VFX on this specific animation timing, you add one here, another one here, another one here, and you can add new ones by double clicking on events. So every time that you double click here on events, a new frame will be added into the timeline. So when the animation reaches this point, it will do a specific action, this point it will do a specific one, and so on. If you click on any of these events, you will be able to modify them, and what you have to do is go over to Code Begin to add the code related to the VFX. So click on a particular event that you would like to manage, go over to Code Begin, and you have to write something along these lines. The reason why I say something along these lines is because this is going to differ on the VFX that you have made or added. You can also acquire new ones from the Creator Hub, and you will have to assign those specific effects to the animation that you are making, depending of course on what you want to achieve. Sadly, I cannot cover all of this in this video. I simply wanted to present how you can add the VFX to the animations with Moon Editor, and to do this, you add new events over here on Moon Animator, and then you edit those events and associate the code needed for the VFX to work when it reaches that specific point on the timeline. I hope I was able to help you on how to sync VFX with Animation Roblox Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.